Party love. Is this charcoal?
Yes.
100 years na kasi ito. Yung bahay
Sure
ng
ka?
Oo.
Pero maganda pa din yun.
Maganda man ito pag ayusin to.
Okay lang ako, guys.
Asin.
Yung aking juwakis.
Yung asawa niya.
Asawa.
Ang bait.
Asawa, mabait din. Napaka-understandable.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning! Good morning everything! Good morning guys! So Wednesday ngayon, parang ma-storm daw pero alis po kami ni Tami. Magpunta kami sa Home Depot or sa Adams guys. Ang dami na namang ano oh. Look oh, ang dami. Grabe. Harvest natin yan mamaya kasi ang dami. Look oh. Daming bunga oh. Look. I-harvest ko to at ibigay kay Brenda. Kasi si Brenda, I think Urloydi din. Gustong-gusto nila to. Kukunin ko nga sila mamaya para kukunin ito. Ang dami kasi sayang lang oh. Gusto nila to eh. Nung pumunta sila dito, kumakain sila. Look. Dami. Halay. Let's upside down?
Yeah.
Upside
I wonder if that was a fly that was on the window.
Upside down, that's really creepy. What's wrong
It's like
with
a
you?
shock to you.
What's wrong with you, hon? That's your job to change battery. All I do is vlogging and you should do changing battery. Can you do that?
I'm waiting.
You don't even fix my thing because you said you will fix this look.
Oh, bring it in with us.
Huh?
Bring it in with us.
Okay, I don't want to do anymore. I'm gonna use this funny because I
Well,
lost.
go to Home Depot for the seats because they'll have the little pinpoint.
I told you I'm going to Home Depot.
Yeah, they'll have the pinpoint.
Okay, what
Yeah.
pinpoint?
They have the Gorilla Glue that's pinpoint. The other Gorilla Glue.
We do. We have a new one.
No.
We have the pinpoint one. I just open it.
Where?
It's in the bathroom. This is the zero turn. Meron na silang pumpkin. Dito na tayo sa Home Depot. Nursery sila. Nursery. Puro halaman naman guys. Wala silang ano. Dito na tayo. Liso ang bibilhin natin. Liso. Ha? Over there. Wala naman silang seeds guys. No, they don't have it, hon. That's not good.
Bad sign.
Yeah, bad sign daw guys. They don't have nothing. Wala na silang mga liso. Nagtataka tuloy kami. Bakit? So, let's try sa Adams. Sana meron sila. Kasi dito tayo sa Adams guys. Ito na lang yung ano nila. Liso. Liso ba to? Oh, right here, no. They don't have it, hon. Wala naman sila, guys. They don't have the string jeans. I mean, they don't.
It's like a kind of a squash.
Wala naman sila, eh. Sa buti na lang may Amazon. Doon na lang tayo mag-order sa Amazon, guys. So, dito yung container, guys. Hanap tayo for litos. This is expensive. This is expensive. It's $10. How about this white? Let's see this white. Magkano ba to? 11 bucks. Wala, oy, ang mahal naman. Ang mahal naman ito. Ang mahal. Ito yung salitos ko sana ba. Because we have in the house outside already. Yeah, but the outside that we have, I make a hole already. For water ba? Look at the price. This is what I like. But it's like
Taller.
yeah, I know, but it's like
Wider.
Litos it doesn't need to be big. No.
They sit inside like
That's
that?
not, no. That's not it. Hala, that's a separate price, honey? Seriously.
Yeah.
You know what? Forget it.
On the railing.
Oh, that's the water thing. Catcher.
That holds us, so you can put it on the edge of the porch.
Yeah. Dito tayo sa mga halamanan. And why you're looking for catnip, son? Do you have catnips in there in the house?
Dead. The grass is dead.
Is it dead? The catnip is over here. Should be here. This is a nice one, oh. Ang daming halaman, guys, oy. Pero walang gulay. Catnip here. This is so pretty, look. Ang ganda. Nandun na si Tami. Pumasok na. Iniwan na ako. Guys, meron silang star apple. Look at this. At saka ano din ito, oh, meron sila ito. Minggo. Ang tigas ng minggo, eh. Ang tigas. Here, Han. Okay, ito yun. Oh, this is what we like, honey.
Yeah, but it's a big one.
You like the big one? How much is that? Is this charcoal?
It's high.
Charcoal? We expensive man, eh. Oh, this one, look. Oh my goodness. Party, party. Han, look. You can lift it. Han. Party, party, love. Is this charcoal?
Yes.
No, this is not charcoal.
It is charcoal. You put the charcoal on the bottom of the grill
Why there is a holes in there?
for the ashes.
Oh my god. How much is this?
What is that?
Ah, it's a Weber. 500. Oh, 1500. Yeah. Ito lang yung nabili namin, guys.
But there's bamboo so it can wrap around things.
Walang mga seedling kasi iwan ko. Usually, maraming seedling pa yan. Kahit anong oras pa yan silang, kahit anong season pa yan, may mga seedling silang tinda. Pero this time, wala talaga. Walang seedling. Iwan ko na lang. So, anyway. So, online na lang kaming guys, sa online na lang order sa Amazon. And, so, walang nabili na liso. So, sa Amazon, kapag bibili kayo din, halo, isiruk si Ginoo ko, eh. Sama na, good. Naghatagan, magukunin mong buhok, good. So, if you order sa Amazon pala, guys, you have to, hello, is she always talk? Non-GMO, Han, is that what it is?
Right.
Non-GMO na liso. What does that mean? Non-genetically.
No, it's not all fair. It's the way nature intended it to be.
Okay. Non-generically. Modified, whatever is G. So, kung sa Bisaya pa, mauna to. Kung sa Bisaya pa, mauna to siya, originalitic. Originalitic na liso, hindi siya hinimuhimo. Hinimuhimo. So, anyway, guys, non-generically. Genetically, like gigitik-gitik sila. Modified.
Unlike vaccinated people, which are now genetically, they're genetically modified now. What it is?
Okay, so I got para magawa tayo ng sabaw. And soy. Wala akong nabiling soy na soy na big container. So, maliit lang na container. So, now guys, gagawa po tayo ng sabaw para makakain po. Tajo. Jiba. Let me take the ginger out. Nang lupos.
Oh, Hubs?
A little cutie man.
Oh my god, hon. You really adore your son. It's just like amazingly crazy.
Making you crazy. How is making you crazy?
Crazy thing.
You know what I noticed? This is very spicy, guys. So I'm gonna put soup to make. Is it okay with you, Han? The soup, Han, to become a little bit spicy?
I don't have the problem with spicy that you have.
No, this is not gonna be like crazy spicy. It's just a little flavoring, okay?
Okay.
This one. Hoy, watch out my camera.
Hobbs, you don't want this.
So, maaga po ako, guys, magluluto ng chicken tinola because my husband is leaving. I don't know what time he's planning, but you're not gonna leave dark, right? Because, are you gonna stop to store? No.
I'm not counting on it. Eat your dinner.
Oh, update pala guys sa papa ko guys. Nabalitaan ko kanina. Nakausap ko yung papa ko. So, sabi daw ng doktor na kailangan daw siyang i-transfer sana siya sa mga pasyente kung saan yung kidney. Kaso, sabi ng doktor, kaysa mag-stay daw doon siya magmatagal hanggang maano na yun, ma-okay na yung ano niya, yung nilagay nila na tubo sa gilid niya. Uwi na lang daw muna, doon na lang daw pahinga sa bahay, ganon, kaysa lalaki daw yung bill sa hospital. So ngayon, ang ginagawa is process billing na lang yung hinihintay nila. And yun, pagka 1 month daw, next month, October, right? October, kailangan daw babalik ni Papa sa hospital. Kasi pag-isipan, doon na daw pag-isipan kung kailangan ba. You think he really need to go back to the hospital, right?
Mm-hmm.
Just the host to get rid.
Yes.
He cannot just like don't go back because...
No one. Gotta be removed surgically.
So yun siya guys. So kailangan talaga niyang bumalik. Kasi para pag-isipan kung anong gawin sa kidney, yung mga bato niya. So yun, 'di ba? So that's the update. So yung kapatid ko, bumalik siya doon kahit gabi na para hindi nila alam kung gabi ba yun ibigay yung yung billing. So yung kapatid ko is magtakbo-takbo yun, ilingap ba? 'Di ba sa Davao may lingap? I don't know sa ibang lugar, may lingap kasi sa Davao, guys. Manghingi ng tulong ba? May na lang hindi tayo makabayad ng malaki sa hospital. So lingap-lingap. And then yung kung magkano yung natira na babayaran, yun na lang yung babayaran ko. So yun, hopefully hindi malaki. Kasi magastos talaga guys, ang gastos sa kapag talaga may ma-hospital, no? Ang gasto. So, yun lang yung update. Ang gastos guys, kasi ilang beses na akong nagpadala, no? Mga 4, I think. 4 na ba? Yun, padala. 4 or iwan ko, basta yun. Pero hindi, naman guys, hindi ko naman kinikwenta. Pero iniisip ko lang ba, ang mahal talaga kapag may ma-hospital. Kasi yung parang everyday ka, lalo na diaper, ang mahal na pala yung diaper Pinas. Yung papa ko kasi ayaw tumayo, takot. So dinadiaper siya, si mama yung so sobrang mapamahal. Yung pagkain pala sa ilabas ng hospital, ang mahal, grabe. So kaya ingat-ingat tayo kasi pag magkasakit talaga, lalo na yung mga tao sa Pilipinas ngayon ang hirap, walang mga trabaho, right love? Because of pandemic, people are losing job. And if you're sick, it's expensive. So ingat-ingat. Kaon, mag-init og daghang mag-init kayo ng maraming ginger. Inumin nyo ng inumin, tubig umaga, guys. So, ang hirap talaga, sabihin ko sa inyo.
Alright, do what you gotta do.
Alright, I love you.
Love me too. Talk to you later.
Alright.
Iba talaga yung amoy guys pag merong mga ganito or yung maliit na green. Look. Iba talaga yung sarap. Masarap talaga. I mean yung amoy, yung aroma niya ba is sobrang, yung aroma is masarap. Nilagyan ko na siya ng patis pala. Okay lang daw yun So, meron ako ditong powder. Hala, puno naman siya, Napuno man siya, guys. Sarap, guys. Tignan pa lang siya. Ang sarap na, 'di ba? Sarap na niya. Tignan pa lang siya. Grabe yung sarap, Hello. 'Di ba? Ay, ang bango, guys. Grabe. Mabango talaga.
for you.
Huh?
I thought vinegar is good for you.
Hmm. No. That's
I don't know what you said.
That's all your soup. You cannot just pick. That's all your soup. Kumakain yan si Tammy. Do you want me to pour that in the big bowl? Or you can pour the whole thing over there. My baby. Right? Guys, I become like a paper freak. I used to say, no paper for me. The only problem with this powder thing, it makes me sneeze. Sili. Wadso ka sili. Sikwati. Kailangan talagang pumiyong, no? Sarap nito. Oh my God, you won't enjoy the soup, honey. Just sip the soup.
Hon?
Yes, hon. I'm trying to tell you that that's not how you do it.
You do your way, I do my way.
But you won't enjoy your way.
It's you.
That's why you don't like sometimes my cooking, because of the way you eat.
Okay, this is how I eat it.
It's not because...
What was this?
No, that's a string beans to replant. That's my
to
giant
replant?
string beans, yeah. That's to replant the seeds inside.
Look at that.
That's what you should do, replant. It's not dead. Make it like dry out. That's what the seeds are. If you see something seeds under there, throw it out. That's the one. I do eggplant over there too. I let it old, let it dry. Guys, Tommy liked the chicken soup. He likes it. And I want him to bring some. So yan, magdadala siya, guys. Ha?
Where is it?
Bathroom in the thing. Nako na mimoy. And guys, ang sarap guys kasi ang bangi-bangi. Buti na lang marami yung sabaw na nilagay ko. Kung di, kulang ito guys. Ilang chicken ba yung natira dito? Isa na lang. Tag-iisa kami ng chicken. Kasi isa na lang din natira dito. 4 kasi yun. So, isa-isa kami chicken. Anyway guys, so maaga nga alis si Mister. Tayo na naman ditong mag-isa. He is packing already guys sa pagkain.
This.
What? What is that?
Try these for the kids if they're good. So
Why? Why?
Because
Honey, why?
they're coconuts.
No, but you buy it.
Don't use from the freezer.
Out of the freezer one?
Right.
Oh my
So
God.
if they're good.
That means it's bad. Oh
But
my
you'll know it's
goodness.
bad.
It's almost 5 o'clock. It's 4:30 na guys. Padalhan ko siya ng apple. Apple, diba? Oy. 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 And of course, the banana. I will make banana bread. Anyway guys, mahangin sa labas and may storm daw mamaya. Kaya... Can you wash your face? You cannot do that when you're driving. Wash your face. Wash your face. Okay guys, bye-bye guys. Bye honey.
Hi guys.
It's burning. His eyes. He's got allergy, that's it. Good evening guys. Hello guys. Good evening sa lahat sa inyo dyan. Anyway, alis tayo. Gabi na guys, 10 o'clock. So, alis tayo. Meron tayong snack dito. So, may thunderstorm pero alis na ako guys. Iwan ko lang to sila. Kasi may thunderstorm daw eh. So yun. Pasensya na guys ha. At kukunin ko din si Brenda. Ang ano kasi, tinext ko si Brenda. Pinagalitan pa ako ni Tommy. Kasi ano daw, bakit ko daw disturbuhin si Brenda. Magalit si Marlon, ganun. Pero nag-reply, sabi ko never mind Brenda kasi ang dami ko ng message ba. Kasi gusto kong may company ba. Gusto kong may kasama. You know, sa pagdadrive, 1.5 hour yung drive. Papuntang New Rochelle. Sanay naman ako. Kasi, alam nyo naman na kuha palagi natin si Biana noon. Sanay ako mag-drive doon. So, ano lang talaga. Na ano lang ako kay Marlon, baka magalit pa kasi alam nyo na. Tika muna, andito ba yung ano ko? Tika muna guys ha. Wala namang ano sasakyan. I-lock natin yung door. Baka may... Okay, dito lahat. So yun. So, kunin ko lang si Brenda guys. And I have to pay attention driving. That's all. So yun lang. Yun na. Andito na kami ni Brenda guys. Puntahan natin si Tami. Hi baby. Hindi siya makapaniwala. Nandito na ako. Pe. Dito lang na to. Gusto mo. Dito si Brenda guys. Inano ko, buti na lang sumama. Mabait yung asawa. Sabi ko, never mind. Dito pa rin siya. Gusto sumama. Tingin ka dito.
Ito yung
Amoy. Amoy.
Oo, iba yung amoy kasi wala.
Karpit kasi. Nanding forgotten pa to.
Hindi forgotten talaga. Wala nang kasunod sa 19 kasi forgotten. Pero maganda siya na.
O, kung maayos ito, be. Ayusin to. Look. Leaking.
Oo. Nag-aano na talaga. Kailangan na i-renovate.
100 years na kasi ito. Yung bahay
Sure
namin.
ka? Pero maganda pa din yun.
Maganda man ito pag ayusin to.
Ang gusto ko dyan yung mirror, babe. Yung mirror.
Daming ano.
Ang daming ano.
Na, noon. Kaya nga, yung bahay namin ngayon, nandun lahat sa basement. Yung naging basura din. Tana. Gusto mo, kuha tayo ng tubig. Gusto mo ng tubig?
Oo. Alam ko.
Dito. Ganyan yan. Kailangan ko pang i-open kaluka. Anyway guys. So ngayon, sabi pa ni Tami. Hinalikan ko, sabi pa niya. Ayan. Sabi ko, andito na yung ano mo. Andun si Brenda sa baba. Why? Why?
Wala tulog. Inising mo pa.
Sabi, alis na kami. Sabi pa niya, drive careful, han. Thank you. Napagod. Okay lang si Brenda. Si Brenda ba guys? Nag-alala ako dito guys kasi nadamay sa ano namin ni Tami.
Okay lang ako, guys.
Asin
Yung
mo.
aking juwakis.
Yung asawa niya.
Asawa.
Ang bait.
Asawa, mabait din. Napaka-understandable.
Understandable. Mabait na asawa.
Sabi niya, sige samahan mo kaysa mag-isa naman siya. Sabi niya.
Hindi ko ma-open.
Tapos bukas, ayun, maggagalag-galag na naman kami.
Si Brenda guys, nagbablog yan.
Pero walang upload.
Iwan ko sa kanya. Pumunta ng Hawaii, hindi nag-vlog. Nag-vlog siya pero
Nag-vlog ako.
puno yung ano. Puno yung cellphone. Kailangan mo nang mag-change.
Kaya nga.
Okay guys, let's go home na. And then, yun. Bye, Bren.
Bye, Roxy. Ayan.
Okay, see you later, guys. Hi, guys. Tapos na si Brenda. Dinadrop ko na siya. Ay, ano, the high beam, yung sasakyan. Inano ko yung high beam para makita ko yung daan. Kasi ang daming deer dito. Tanyo paminsan, naglalakad. And then, para hindi tayo madasmag, para safety, diba? So, yung high beam, kasi wala namang mga sasakyan dito. Parang ako na lang dito nagtikaw-tikaw. So, ngayon, yung kapatid ko, sabi ko sa kanya, Day, isend mo sa akin yung mga billing sa hospital kasi palabas na sila papa. So, ngayon, sinend niya sa akin. Sabi ko, Brenda, tignan mo nga yung text ng kapatid ko, message. So, si Brenda sabi pa, 49,800, lalang. Sabi ko, patay, ang laki. Alam nyo naman, basta pira, malaki man yan. Hindi man yan, maliit. So, naano ako sabi, patay naman ito lagi pa. Ang daming mga... Pero walang choice, bayaran talaga yan. Sabi ko, bayaran na yan natin, Brenda, kasi wala namang choice. Kasi yun naman talaga yung... Tayo naman lang yung magbabayad. So, sabi ko sa kanya, tayo naman lang yung magbabayad. So, ngayon, naloka. So tinawagan ko yung kapatid ko. Tinawagan ko ulit. Sabi pa niya, ano daw. 0 daw yung bill. Kaloka talaga tong kapatid ko. Hindi na lang dire-diretso yung mga salita. Mataranta pa tayo, drive pa tayo. Sabi pa niya 0. Hindi ko, sabi ko ay loko-loko na 0. Paano yan naging 0 yung bill? Wala dong bayaran. Sabi ko, anyari? Totoo ba yung bill na yan or baka joke-joke? Joke-joke lang ba yun? Naloka na. So yun, 0 daw. So ang hinihintay daw nila is discharge na daw sa hospital para makalabas din sila papa. And then ngayon, buti na thank God makalabas. Pero meron pang host. And then next month, ang lakas ng ulan dito. Next month na naman, babalik na naman yun si papa guys para para ipaibot at saka mag-usap tungkol sa kidney. So yun lang guys, pauwi na ako guys. So I guess I will see you guys tomorrow. Salamat guys sa time ninyo. And yun, and so ito yung araw ko, ito yung gabi ko natin, ito ngayon. Kasi sabi ko, Brenda, matutulog na ako ha. Nagdadrive, sabi pa niya, ay wag naman. So yun guys, anyway, kita-kits tayo bukas. Yan.